Back to this video with Logitech Colleen. Long time no see, y'all. I know life has been a little bit hectic, but I got something special for y'all. We're gonna be unboxing the pink iPad right in here. Yes, 10 Gen, 10.9 inches right here, and it has my cover and screen protector right here. And stay tuned to the end. There's gonna be a giveaway, but make sure you watch the video first. Okay? So I'm just gonna open this up. Here she is. The accessories. Is the cover. It's like a composition of book, and I'm gonna decorate it with some stickers. Then this is the paper feel screen protector, so I can write with it with my Apple Pencil. So let's get on into it. I'm going to bring the camera over here so you guys can see a little, up close view as usual. So yeah. Okay, here it is. Now, if you're a real OG, you know that when I first did an unboxing of iPhone, it was on the white table. Today we got a black table because we're different here. We're diverse. So here it is, all its beauty. Gonna take it out. Here she is, y'all. She is looking real pretty. And this pink, it's so cute. It also comes with, the little manual, as well as the charger. And it has a USB-C box. It's not separate like the phone was. USB-C cable. And you see it's corded like a cord, not like a cable. The prettiest girl in the world herself, pink iPad. Look at how pretty that is, guys. I had to get myself a little gift for ending first semester off. Very good. I'm gonna open up the case so you can put it on. Wow, this looks almost good on the top and completely just in the bottom here. So here's the case. Looks like a notebook for the front. Either way, you can do it like that. And it has a little space holder so you can charge your Apple Pencil. Could connect to the iPad directly. Paper screen protector. I bought this off of Amazon. I bought everything on Amazon except the iPad. Here is the kit. It comes with 2 screen protectors, paper screen protectors, the booklet to watch this tutorial, and then cleaning kit. So I'm gonna first put in my iPad. The camera has to be over here. Okay, so I finally got the screen protector on the paper-like one, and here it looks a few stubborn air bubbles, but deal with it. And this is the case. I'm about to put it in the case. It was a bit hard getting the case onto the iPad. I thought I got the wrong size for a second, but it fits. You just have to push this out to get in. This is the back. This is how it is. I love iPad, okay? And it looks like an actual notebook with this size. I don't know if this works with this iPad. This iPad only works with first generation Apple Pencil. Oh, it works with it. Oh, okay. Chill. I thought I was gonna have to buy another one. Okay. So, United States. I'm so happy this works with it. Y'all didn't even know I was gonna have to waste, not waste, but I thought I was gonna have to spend $100 to get an Apple Pencil. Because I was like, I don't know if I want that right now. If I have something like it. Phone right here. So it says set up your iPad. continue. So I'm going to connect them together. So it says waiting for iPhone. Position this image in the frame of your iPhone. So I just did that. And it's getting things ready, it says. Set up new iPad. Y'all, I'm loving this. Like, just look at the beauty. Look at it, all this beauty. I wanted to get a clear case so I can see the pink, but you know, the notebook style, and I'm gonna be in school. It's gonna be cool. So I'm gonna do my touch ID, right? So I'm gonna click continue, and then I'll put my finger over here, and I'm gonna use my pointer for my eye. So I don't want to transfer my apps because I'm not going to use all those apps here. So I'll say don't transfer. And then I'm going to sign in with my, oh, I can write with this, I forget. So I'm going to just, how do I erase it? Like, okay. Okay, so guys, here is the home screen. This Apple Pencil, oh, this dupe Apple Pencil, I would link it, but they took it off from the Amazon's like storefront I bought it from. But I will link everything else, iPad link, the case, and the paper-like screen. And I'm gonna download GoodNotes because that's what I'll be using to write my notes when I'm in school. Because if you didn't know, I am a nursing student. Here we go. Search. And we're gonna do GoodNotes. I had this on my other iPad, so I have gotten it before, so I think it was $1.99 or it was $5. Like $4.99. I don't quite remember. I'm gonna do a quick note. And I detected my pencil, so I'm gonna just write something. Change the color. Move it around however you want, and you just erase it. Anyways guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you watched the whole video till now, I love you. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna customize my iPad, make it a little, you know, more me. And this is a case you would never suspect. There's a little old iPad in here, and I'm gonna decorate it with some stickers. When I do, I'll probably show it in another video, and I'll link that video in the description box if I do, because I want to make customized stickers, not just, you know, any old Lego stickers. I'm so happy. A little gift for myself for a well done semester. And I will be posting more videos soon, so stay tuned for that. And I know y'all been waiting. The giveaway is on, and it's gonna be in the next clip, but I will explain the rules, what you will get, and just comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video. And as you know, I love you all, so stay awesome. Bye.